Leibniz rule related problems. In previous class, we are completed reduction formula related problems. Okay, so what is the Leibniz rule? So remember it, this is the formula. dy dx of integration limits pi of x, psi of x into f of t dt is equal to. So here definite integration is set. So we are going to do that derivative. Generally, derivative integration is going to cancel. But here limits are there. Generally, limits how we are substituting first upper limit, next lower limit. So derivative integration is cancelled. Now substitute the limits. How to substitute? F of t means upper limit psi of x into derivative of psi of x. Just in place of t substitute psi of x minus lower limit f of pi of x minus into derivative of what is that? Pi of x, derivative of pi of x. This is the Leibniz rule. Derivative integration is cancelled. Okay, here limits are there, that is the problem. So just to substitute the limits wherever is there function t, in both the places we want to substitute, then apply the conditions. Okay, now one more property. If f of x is greater than or equal to 0 when in the interval closed a comma b, then integration a to b f of x is greater than or equal to 0. That is the meaning of that. The function is greater than or equal to 0 in interval closed interval a comma b means that is integration a to b f of x dx greater than or equal to 0. Okay, students. Now, third one more property. If f of x is less than or equal to g of x in the interval closed interval a comma b, this is theoretical. Now, how to write? Integration a to b f of x dx less than or equal to integration a to b g of x dx. This is inequality, another property. Okay, students, how to do this problem? See here, actually in that question one part is missing. F of x is equal to integration x square to x power 4 sine root to t dt. Then find f dash of x. F dash of x means differentiate with respect to x. Okay, differentiate with respect to x. Now left hand side f of x derivative f dash of x. In right hand side you are applying derivative means derivative is integration, both are going to cancel. So apply the Leibniz rule. What you will get? Sine root. First apply the upper limit x power 4 into derivative of x power 4 minus substitute the lower limit sine root x square into derivative of x square. This is, students, all of you understood now. In first term square root cancel, you will get sine x square into what is derivative of x power 4? 4x cube minus here sin x, derivative of x square 2x. Now see the answer. Which option is correct? Second option is correct. So write in particular order, that is 4x cube sine of x square minus 2x sine x. This is the answer. Students, all of you understood now how we are applying the Leibniz rule. Question. Limit x tends to 0 x power 4 by integration 0 to x squared tan inverse t dt. If you are substituted limit, what happened? Numerator, you will get 0 power 4, that is 0. Denominator, 0 to 0 tan inverse t dt. 0 to 0 means there is no values. So you are getting 0 by 0 form. At this time, what we have to do? So we can apply L'Hospital rule, LH rule. LH rule. LH rule means what? Numerator and denominator do one time differentiation. Now limit x tends to 0. X tends to 0. Numerator do the one time derivative. X power 4 derivative 4x cube. And go to the denominator. Do one time derivative. Derivative integration is cancelled. So limits are there. Use Leibniz rule. Then what will come? Tan inverse. In place of t, write upper limit. Derivative of x square